A new populist uprising targeting the stock market has Wall Street rattled. The Melvin Capital hedge fund had a massive short position in GameStop stock. That's a bet that the stock would go down. But that was completely derailed when an army of Redditors in the Wall Street Bets forum began buying the stock en masse, massively inflating its value. Elon Musk and other high-profile figures also inflated the stock by tweeting about its meteoric rise. Another investor was kickboxing world champion and multimillionaire Andrew Tate, who said he was prepared to invest as much as half of his entire net worth in order to target hedge fund vultures.
So if I have to lose $6 million to destroy Wall Street, I'm ready to fucking go. Fuck them all. These people on Reddit are geniuses. These hedge fund cunts. I've been around them. Most of you guys watching this haven't been around these kind of people. I've been around these kind of people when I was kickboxing world champion, or when I was buying my Bugatti, or when I was hanging out in Monaco. I've been around these people. They're the worst people on earth. They're rude to staff. They have no respect for anybody. They're cunts. And they have no talent. They don't make money. They just have a pot of money, and they manipulate markets and make their little pot go up with other people's money, and they get bailed out by the government anyway. They're complete dickheads with no skill. The worst people in the world. And they'll wipe out all the normal traders, all the average person. They'll completely wipe them out, and they'll sit there with their big pot of money and manipulate the markets. When this cunt wakes up and his 13 billion it's gone. He hasn't got an income. He hasn't got a business. He can't make it back. 13 billion has vanished from the stock market and gone to Redditors. Fucking Reddit. It's brilliant.
CNBC reports that GameStop shares have more than doubled this week alone to $150 a piece, driving its January gains to 685% in January alone. The stock was worth just $6 4 months ago. The fallout prompted Melvin Capital hedge fund to swallow losses of around 30% of its entire net worth. Citadel and Point72 had to plow in $3 billion just to keep Melvin Capital hedge fund afloat after rumors swirled that it was about to declare bankruptcy. The Wall Street Bets Reddit community is heralding the whole spectacle as a populist takeover of the stock market that can be replicated over and over again. And the shockwaves have sent the financial establishment into a blind panic.
You know, I don't like to think of the market as a game, but that's really what this has become, this stock in particular, a game.
What are you talking about? It's always been a game. It's a casino. You bet the stock goes up, you bet the stock goes down. That's a game. But notice, as soon as the house starts losing, they start panicking. This CNBC host looked like he was about to start crying while calling for authorities to clamp down.
Let's just show you where we are right now. GameStop shares right now. I mean, I don't even know what to say. A lot to be concerned about when you think about what's happening here. Where are the regulators? And is this just the beginning?
Meanwhile, investor Michael Burry said in a now deleted tweet that trading in GameStop is, quote, unnatural, insane, and dangerous, and that there should be legal and regulatory repercussions.
Real questions, of course, about stock manipulation, about the power of what's taking place on places like Reddit.
But hedge funds and Wall Street billionaires have been manipulating the stock market for decades. And whenever a large firm is on the brink of collapse, the government bails it out with taxpayer money. Socialism for the rich while everyone else can go whistle. And that's why this entire GameStop Reddit revolution is being hailed as a financial populist uprising.